You're asking why the CarPlay in your 2021 Tacoma keeps disconnecting, even after you've tried different cables. The short answer is the USB port in your dash. Its internal connections are just too fragile for life inside a truck, and they're breaking down from normal everyday vibration. Toyota used part number 8619004020 for this port, and it has a known weakness. Inside this small plastic housing is a tiny circuit board with 4 main pathways, or pins. 2 of these are for power. They're thick and strong. The other 2 are for data, called D+ and DE. And these are the problem. They're connected to the board with solder joints smaller than a grain of salt. Now, think about the leverage of a USB cable plugged into that port. Every time you hit a bump, accelerate, or the cable just gets nudged, it puts a tiny bit of stress on those delicate data connections. Over thousands of miles, that constant vibration creates hairline cracks in the solder. This makes what we call an open circuit, a physical break in the data path. That's when CarPlay suddenly drops out. This also explains the most confusing symptom. Your phone still charges, but CarPlay is gone. The 2 big power pins are tough, so they stay connected and send power to your phone just fine. But the 2 tiny cracked data pins can't hold a steady signal. Your truck can send power, but it can't have a stable data conversation with your phone. That's why you get a charge, but no map. Before you start replacing parts, let's do one simple check. Get a non-metal pick and carefully clean any pocket, lint, or debris from the bottom of your phone's lightning port. Sometimes, that's all it takes to prevent the cable from seating properly. Also, double-check that you're using a high-quality MFi-certified cable that's under 3 feet or 1 meter long. A cheap or worn-out cable can cause the same symptoms. If cleaning and a good cable don't solve it, you have 2 real fixes. Your first option is to replace the port. You can buy a new USB assembly and swap it out. It's usually a simple job. The part just pops out of the dash with a plastic trim tool. This gets your truck back to factory spec. But you need to know you are installing the exact same flawed design that failed the first time. It will likely fail again. We saw owners of 2020 models have this part replaced twice under warranty before giving up. Your second and better option is to bypass the flaw entirely. You can get a wireless CarPlay or Android Auto adapter. This is a small dongle that you plug into your truck's USB port one time, and then you leave it alone. It stays put, so the cable is no longer moving around and stressing those weak solder joints. Your phone then connects to the adapter wirelessly. The weak point is no longer being disturbed, so the connection becomes solid. If you ignore this, the problem will only get worse. The disconnects will become more frequent, usually failing right when you rely on your navigation the most. So, clean your phone's port first. If that doesn't work, decide if you want a temporary factory fix or a permanent wireless one.